Good evening. I'm John Kohlmeyer. Breaking news from Above Conference Coordinator Sandra Ostapowicz. The From Above Conference for this summer in West Lafayette, Indiana at Purdue University has reached half of its capacity. Once again, the From Above Conference at Purdue University is half full. The conference staff also wishes to inform you that registration rates do go up unless you are registered and paid in full by the new year, so make sure that you have your youth group registered and have paid your registration balance in full to lock in the lowest registration rate before rates go up on January 1st. I'm John Kohlmeyer, and this has been a Higher Things special report.